Hello, my name is Kimberly Harrison, and we'll be going over visualizing hypothesis testing. For our agenda today, we'll be going over the mean test, two groups compared, comparing efficiency, correlation tests, the takeaways, and any questions that need to be asked at the end. Here in visualization number one, we're going to do the test for a mean. The research question here is, on average, are the widgets from Acme Widget Company defect-free? Here, the null hypothesis, which is the number of defective widgets, is 0. The alternative hypothesis, greater than 0, is the number of average defective widgets. Here in visualization 2, we're comparing two groups, and they are the major league team and the minor league team. As you can see, we have a number of home runs on the x-axis, and on the y-axis is a fraction of the team that are home run hitters. The minor league bell curve is in the red, and then the blue is for the major league. And so the question is, does the average major league team have more home run hitters than its corresponding minor league team? For the null hypothesis here, the major league home run hitters equals the minor league home run hitters per team, and there is no difference. And our alternative hypothesis is that major league home run hitters per team do not equal minor league home run hitters per team. Visualization number 3 is about efficiency comparison with the single cube servers, and that will be versus the single cube with multiple red servers. And on the right are the two different bell curves. And our research question is, the efficiency curves of the red and blue teams were recorded. Do the teams have equal mean efficiencies? And the null hypothesis here is that there is no difference between the red and blue groups. And the alternative hypothesis is that there is no difference in mean between the red or the blue groups. And in this case, you can reject the null hypothesis, as you can see clearly that the red and the blue groups are totally different. Here for visualization number 4, the correlation test is what we'll be researching. This study has already been found to have significant correlation. With the p-value being 0.0001, you can show that there's a significant reason for the answer that they came up with. The important question was, what were the study's null and alternative hypotheses? And the null hypothesis is that there is no relationship between miles per gallon and the weight of the vans. And the alternative hypothesis is that there is a relationship between miles per gallon and the weight of the van. And as we all know, that we will be rejecting this because there is a specific correlation in the weight of the vans and the miles per gallon. Some important takeaways when creating a hypothesis test is that each test should have a clear and defined null and alternate hypothesis. And just remember that a hypothesis is set up to reject the null in order to support the alternate. Another important part is using visualizations. And using visualizations will help to quickly or, speed up the identifies the null hypothesis. This is also how taking complex data to develop trends and or implementing them into understanding visuals. I'd like to thank you for watching this video, and if there are any questions, feel free to let me know.